At the end of this video, you will get a free business plan template that you can download and modify to easily create a quality business plan for your new business. Starting a laundry business requires meticulous planning and strategic execution. From understanding customer needs to managing operations efficiently, here are 50 essential tips to kickstart your laundry venture and ensure its success. Conduct thorough market research to identify your target demographics and their laundry preferences. Understanding your customers is key to tailoring your services. Choose a strategic location for your laundry business, considering accessibility, parking, and proximity to your target market. Create a solid business plan outlining your services, pricing, marketing strategies, and operational processes. Invest in high-quality laundry equipment that's efficient, durable, and suits the scale of your operations. Consider offering specialized services like eco-friendly detergents, garment repairs, or express wash options to attract diverse clientele. Develop a user-friendly website and mobile app for convenient booking, pickups, and payments to enhance customer experience. Implement a robust inventory management system to track supplies, detergents, and other essentials to avoid shortages. Train your staff rigorously in customer service, handling different fabrics, and using laundry equipment to ensure quality service. Establish partnerships with local businesses or hotels for bulk contracts, ensuring a steady flow of laundry orders. Offer flexible service options such as subscription plans, loyalty programs, or package deals to encourage repeat customers. Adhere strictly to environmental regulations by using eco-friendly practices and products, appealing to environmentally conscious clients. Set competitive pricing that reflects your service quality while remaining attractive compared to competitors in the area. Create a visually appealing and welcoming storefront or facility, making a positive first impression on customers. Prioritize customer feedback and implement necessary changes to enhance service quality continually. Build a strong online presence through social media marketing, showcasing before and after transformations and customer testimonials. Ensure a seamless pickup and delivery system, providing convenience to customers unable to visit your facility. Offer additional services like ironing, folding, and dry cleaning to cater to various customer needs. Develop a referral program to incentivize existing customers to bring in new clients, expanding your customer base. Regularly maintain and upgrade your equipment to ensure efficiency and prevent breakdowns that can disrupt operations. Monitor industry trends and technology advancements to stay competitive and adapt your services accordingly. Implement stringent quality control measures to maintain consistently high standards in cleaning and garment care. Cultivate a strong brand identity through consistent branding elements across all platforms and communication channels. Network with other local businesses or laundry associations to stay updated on industry insights and best practices. Offer personalized services by accommodating special requests or preferences from customers. Keep detailed records of customer preferences and orders to provide personalized recommendations and improve service efficiency. Provide clear and transparent pricing structures to avoid misunderstandings and build trust with customers. Consider implementing a subscription-based model for regular customers, ensuring a steady income stream. Utilize technology for efficient scheduling, managing orders, and maintaining communication with customers. Establish a reliable customer support system to address queries, complaints, and inquiries promptly. Focus on building a strong brand reputation through excellent service and customer satisfaction. Offer promotions or discounts during off-peak seasons to maintain consistent business flow. Implement eco-friendly practices such as water conservation and energy-efficient equipment to appeal to environmentally conscious clients. Invest in marketing efforts that highlight your unique selling propositions, setting you apart from competitors. Conclusion: starting a laundry business demands a blend of innovation, customer-centric approaches, and operational efficiency. By implementing these 50 tips, you can establish a thriving laundry venture that caters to diverse customer needs while staying competitive and sustainable in the market. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your business plan template. It is completely free, no strings attached.